Whenever we're talking to anyone about the gospel, we have to ensure that our view, our context for the gospel goes from Genesis to Revelation and not just Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. The wholeness of it is essential for the restoration, and not just the restoration, as we spoke about last week, also the lifestyle of the Christian. Because again, and I'll bring this up again as a quick reminder, we did discuss the differences in the Hebraic approach to life versus today's Christian approach to life. The Hebraic approach to life is that you have one life to give and there's no afterlife. There are some mentions, especially throughout the prophets after Babylonian exile, but in the Tanakh, in the first 5 books, there really isn't much mention of an afterlife. And go back to last week and the week before that teaching for a really in-depth breakdown of that. But the idea there is that you have this life and this precious life alone to serve God. And so make it the most. Like, serve God with everything that you've got, because this is it. This is all you get. There's not going to be this like afterlife where you're hanging out with him, sitting on a puffy cloud. That was not the Abrahamic understanding of life. And so I think Ecclesiastes puts it best. It's like, this is the end of the matter. Like, all you have is this life.